Design for Manufacture and Assembly, or DFMA, is a strategic methodology transforming the way products are designed and manufactured. By optimizing manufacturability and assembly efficiency, DFMA simplifies processes, reduces costs, and enhances quality, offering industries a significant competitive edge. At the heart of DFMA lies its core principles. Simplification reduces the number of components in a product, cutting assembly time, costs, and error risks. Standardization complements this by using uniform materials and components, ensuring efficiency and easier maintenance. DFMA prioritizes ease of assembly, designing components that are simple to handle, orient, and install. Techniques like interlocking structures make assembly intuitive and cost-effective while improving modularity. Addressing manufacturing issues early in the design process is another key principle. With tools like virtual design and construction, designers can simulate and optimize processes before production, saving valuable time and resources. Optimizing materials and processes reduces waste and supports sustainable production. Multidisciplinary collaboration among design, manufacturing, and supply chain teams ensures all aspects of production are considered, fostering innovation and efficiency. Lean principles further drive DFMA's success, focusing on eliminating waste and continuously improving processes for maximum productivity. DFMA's implementation relies on advanced tools like CAD and finite element analysis, enabling designers to visualize, simulate, and refine processes for better manufacturability. Sustainability considerations also play a vital role, promoting eco-friendly designs with minimal environmental impact. Case studies and benchmarking provide practical insights, helping organizations adopt proven strategies tailored to their needs. The benefits of DFMA are clear. Simplified designs reduce costs. Fewer components enhance quality, streamlined processes accelerate time to market, and sustainable practices align with environmental goals. DFMA integrates simplicity, efficiency, and innovation into modern manufacturing. By embracing its principles and leveraging advanced tools, organizations can shape the future of production, delivering smarter, more efficient designs while building a sustainable future. DFMA is not just a methodology, it's a transformative approach to manufacturing excellence.